Hey guys, my name is Cody Barna. I'm a local real estate agent here in New Hampshire with eXp Realty. In today's video, I'm going to be covering the top 10 largest employers in New Hampshire. Whether you live in New Hampshire or you're thinking about moving here, stay tuned to the end of the video to find out who takes the #1 spot. In today's video, I'm going to cover the largest employers in New Hampshire based on total number of employees. Starting off the list with number 10, we have Anvil International with a total of 3,130 employees. Founded in 1850, they have a total annual revenue of $338 million. They're the world's largest and most complete manufacturer of piping connections and support systems. They love to hire graduates from Kilgore College, with 10.3% of their employees being former graduates. Ranked as number 5 on Zippia's list of best companies to work for in Exeter, New Hampshire. Their average pay is $40,646 per year. Number 9 on the list is CNS Careers, with a total of 3,140 employees. Founded in 1918, they have an annual revenue of $221.9 million. They're the largest wholesale grocery supply company in the US, with more than 50 high-tech facilities across 16 states. They supply supermarkets with more than 95,000 different products. The company loves to hire graduates of Springfield Technical Community College, with 11.5 of their employees being former graduates. Ranked as number 5 on Zippia's list of best companies to work for in Keene, New Hampshire. They have an average pay of $60,722 per year. Number 8 on the list is Albany International, with a total of 4,400 employees. Founded in 1895, they have an annual revenue of $863.7 million. Formerly known as Albany Felt Company, they're an industrial goods company based in Rochester, New Hampshire. They love to hire graduates from Hudson Valley Community College, with 15.4 of their employees being former graduates. Ranked as number 1 on Zippia's list of best companies to work for in Rochester, New Hampshire. They have an average pay of $49,513 per year. Number 7 on the list is MT, with a total of 4,463 employees. Founded in 1960, they have an annual revenue of $3.8 million. They offer a range of music and video products, including compact discs, recorded audio and video cassettes, as well as DVDs. They also offer additional products, including books, magazines, blank tapes, video games, personal electronics, and accessories. Operating approximately 90 stores worldwide. They have a slightly above average retention rate, with employees staying 3.1 years, which could be attributed to their average annual salary of $46,477, which is more than their largest competitor, Sharp. Number 6 on the list is Dartmouth College, with a total of 4,950 employees. Founded in 1988, they have an annual revenue of $5.5 billion. Dartmouth is a private Ivy League research university in Hanover, New Hampshire. They provide one of the highest salaries for their industry and location, offering $54,074 per year. 2 of their highest paying competitors being Yale and Columbia University. Number 5 is Standex International, with a total of 5,400 employees. Founded in 1955, they have an annual revenue of $755.3 million. They're an American multinational manufacturer of food service equipment headquartered in Salem, New Hampshire. They love to hire graduates from Southern New Hampshire University, with 20% of their employees being former SNHU graduates. They were featured as number 1 on Zippia's list of best companies to work for in Salem, New Hampshire. With an average pay of $72,992 per year, it's not hard to understand why they were ranked so high. Number 4 on the list is University of New Hampshire, with a total of 5,430 employees. Founded in 1866, they have an annual revenue of $5.5 billion. UNH is a public research university with their main campus in Durham, New Hampshire. Despite having a slightly higher pay of $46,192 per year, they still have a relatively high turnover rate, with the average employee leaving after just 2.6 years. Number 3 on the list is Timberland, with a total of 5,600 employees. Founded in 1952, they have an annual revenue of $1.4 billion. They're a US retailer that sells boots, shoes, clothing, and accessories. They have a relatively high turnover rate, with employees staying on average just 2.4 years before leaving the company. This could be due to their average pay of $36,656 per year. Number 2 on the list, we have Keene State College, with a total of 5,749 employees. Founded in 1909, they have an annual revenue of $20.9 million. Keene State is a public liberal arts college located in Keene, New Hampshire. They have around 4,300 students as of 2017. The organization loves to hire graduates from Keene State College, with 86.8% of their employees being former Keene State graduates. They were featured as number 6 on Zippia's list of best companies to work for in Keene, New Hampshire. Their average pay is $41,307 per year. Number 1 is CNS Wholesale Grocers, with a total of 17,000 employees. Founded in 1918, they have an annual revenue of $30 billion. They're an American wholesale distributor of food and grocery store items with a headquarters in Keene, New Hampshire. They're the 10th largest privately held company in the US, as listed by Forbes. The turnover rate is relatively high, with employees leaving the company after just 2.4 years. This could be due to their average pay of just $37,830 per year. And that wraps up the video, guys, of the top 10 largest employers in New Hampshire based on number of employees. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you did, like, comment, share, subscribe down below, and let me know in the comments what you want to see in future videos. And as always, if you're thinking about moving to New Hampshire, or you just have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help you. I'll leave my contact info in the description below. Thanks for watching.